Hello, so we're gonna be playing Airplane 2. So today we're gonna be playing Airplane 2. It says Airplane right here, but this is the Airplane 1. So, these are the escalators, not elevators. The elevators is already in the hotel or other places. That's cool. Anyways, there's something right here. It says, you've been invited to a super exclusive trip with the president. Okay? Looks like everybody's getting this. I don't know. Should I go on there? I want to go with someone that there's like so many people with. So, like there's nothing. Okay, anyways, okay. So what are these? These are passengers, and some is that. Okay. Okay, can we already go? I can't see nobody. Opened in this castle. What's this castle? I can't go in. There's a big timer on it. 24, 23, 22, 21. We're not gonna count into that because that will take a long time. Oh, this one's perfect. Okay, it looks like we are going to be joining now the game. Okay. Great. Anyways. Okay, so here's Airplane 2, so I have to find my seat. Oh, my seat is the first one, so easy. Okay, what's in the back door? I really haven't played this game. I mean, I have, but we're just gonna play it again. Because I know where that door leads. Oh, you go over there, and then they're gonna be there. People, and like, oh. Anyways, we're not gonna spoil it. If you already played, then it's like me, but we're not gonna spoil it. Anyways, we're gonna show the people new so they can play, and they're gonna be like, oh, I know what's gonna happen. Anyways, as you can probably tell, this is not a normal. It's not normal? Wow, you hear right? I didn't hear. Right, the president would like to celebrate personal with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Oh, yep, we did. If you haven't played Airplane 1, then go check it out. I already played it, so I already know what happened on that game. So now we're gonna play Airplane 2 on this one. Is there an Airplane 3? I hope so. Anyways, alright, enough chatting. I was chatting right now to you guys. Wow, she's looking up. Okay, now, please find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it as we are about to cross an area of high. Anyways, passenger 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Oh! Wait, there's just one person in here? Wait, this is not gonna go good. The other person is gonna die. I'm gonna be alone. Ooh, that's scary. That's too scary. But there's one more person right here. Where is that me? Is that me now? This is crazy. There's 3 persons. Right there. Okay. Pretty scary. Just only 2%. Okay, so you're gonna get the thing when the table says. Okay. Anyway, oh, the people are talking. That's what I'm talking about in the airplane. Maybe. Not really fun. And remember, no one should know about this. Where they went. Okay, they're gonna know. If you go here, they're gonna, and you're gonna get stuck. Did anyone else see that? Well, I did. Welcome to the personal airplane. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. That could be a hard one. And congratulations for following to the next room. I will give you some if I want something like that. I don't know. Oh, these cups are gonna spill. If you spill it, then that will be fine. I'll take a drink here. No, before that. It's very special because he gets mad very easily. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. Presidents should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Oh no! I'm sorry, OMG, I know. Look at this mess, We didn't have to go that quick! Help! What are you helping? Okay, I'm done cleaning. That was nice. I knew I was gonna clean. That's awesome. Because my friend showed me. Okay, so I didn't got a chance to drink because he spilled it all. Okay, so who's gonna cook? I want to cook. Wow, this is a nice little place. I wish I was there in real life. I can boil the soup. I can make some chicken, then I can make some eggs. Well, no, but I'm a kid. Wait, what? I'm sorry. It's the habit. I'm okay. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. It is an airplane. He probably owned it for that fun. Wait, he's gonna turn into a monster! My name is Ronald. I'm the president of Roblox United States. You must know you are here. President, the food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. We will take care of him, Mr. President. But he's not in the game. I mean, could be the owner. So we're gonna be playing this. I'm sorry for that. Oh wait, he's in the cook. Wow, he's gonna make boiled scrambled eggs. He's gonna make some pasta, chicken, sandwich, turkey. No, Thanksgiving already passed maybe. Salad, ice cream. No, that's not dinner. Soup, chicken soup. The soup needs cabbage. Where's the cabbage? Oh, found the cabbage. Wow. He knows how to cook now. The soup needs pepper. Where's Pepper? I don't know. Oh, he's right there. The soup needs corn. Where's corn? Where's the corn? He can't find the corn. Wait, oh, he found it. Where is it? Anyways, the soup needs more cabbage. Food is ready. Served. Anyways, wow, that looks like a pretty nice place. I'm jealous. Anyways. Okay, it looks like food is ready. Yum, but no one's here. I would eat them all. Just kidding. I'll get the food. Okay. It looks delicious. Everyone take a sweet. Wow, he just made a issue. What? How did I die? Oh my god, guys, I died. I'm so sorry if you were enjoying it. Anyways, we're gonna play another game. Boom! It looks like we're gonna be playing Tattertales. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna be Tattertale. This is the game called Tattletale. I'm gonna be this one. Anyways, so I'm scared for Mama. Anyways, into Airplane 2, now to Mama. That's the mom's name, but we're gonna into Airplane 2, into Tattertales. Where's Mama? Mama's hungry. Bruh. Someone says. Anyways, be Mama. No, why? Because I'm not like him. Okay? It's a her or a him. I don't know. Who's this girl over here? She's holding a weapon. Oh my god, I'm gonna run. Oh look, the Christmas tree. We're gonna open the present. Num num num. And we got a car race. Wow, the car race. That's a perfect present. Hey! She got her thing. Oh! How did she just kill me? Wow. How did she got that weapon? Here, no. Airplane. What? Oh, just kidding. This is not how you spell airplane or something. Anyway, you can't get flashlight or you will die. Only these kind of flashlight they can give you. Okay, it's scary. Nothing in the closet. Okay, that's a hiding spot. It looks like people moved here because Mama came. And they're all these creatures. But the creatures are cute. What's wrong? Mama. Like, what's wrong? Like, literally, Mama's evil, but these little cute guys are cute. Anyways. So, we're gonna reset. This is not unperfect. We're gonna show you some hiding spot in Tattertale you can hide on when Mama comes. Like when she comes close to you. When she comes close to you, but someone like goes past you, and then the Mama chases the other person, you can hide over there. Okay, so it's like Mama's right here, like by the door, but and she's chasing me, but someone goes right here, and then the Mama gets distracted and start chasing that one, and then you can just run here, hide right here if Mama's over there in the kitchen or over there where the table is. So that way you can hide and you can be that. If you know that secret spot, then that's fine. Or now you can get up here if Mom is coming, and then you can hide up here, and She will see you, but she can't get up there because she's not small enough to jump. Anyways, this is a nice poster. Anyways, you can also jump if she's over there and if someone already took that spot, you can go over here. Ah! Like me. Ah! Watch up. Mama's hungry. Ah! Oh my god. Tattletale, Mama can go inside that little hole, but she can't fit because her head is. Sorry, I just had to jump in accident. Oh. Anyways, I'll show you more if I can find some. A little bit sneaky. If you notice, sometimes when you play a game, there could be a table up here. Yesterday I was playing this and a big table was floating, like spinning up there and dancing or something. But it's not there anymore, so some games can do that. Oh my god. Anyways, when I got here, I used to do. Okay, so you can also jump here, which is everybody knows that. Or no, if she's already getting close to you, you can climb up here. Everybody knows that. Oh my god. Wow, it's coming. Perfect time. Anyways, she's already away. This is a nice, pretty map. If that girl is there in your game or someone with a weapon, hide. Because she could get you. Or not if she's close by, you can hide behind the Christmas tree. Try to blending. Like, like, I'm gonna let Mama follow me. Oh no, get away that. Or you can hide by the table. Oh yeah, that's a perfect spot behind here. Oh, they're having a little meeting, a little tattletale meeting. Hey! Hey, I can escape from you, Mama. Mama, you can catch me. Na 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 boo boo, na 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 boo boo. Mama's angry. Ma! Wow. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Run. Tattletales can run. Tattletales. Okay, she's not there, so. Easily move. Easily walk by the couches. Jump. This is a nice view too, like the grassland. Okay, you can hide here, like get close to the thing, and then when you look, it's like that. But you can kind of see your body, so I can see over here, so it doesn't matter. So you can jump in the couch, jump, but better hide. Okay, what else can we go? Into a different room. If Mom is here, you can hide like right, like you can hide right by these cracks. Just try to push in. Try to. Like, if you can try to go in there, that would be awesome. Or now you can go on these things. Oh, you got there, and then Mama won't get you. That's a nice one. Oh no, you can't go to the bed. How is the other person stepping? Oh. Or you can hide behind the bed going right next to the couch.